Now to Dr. Shipping Bao and his attorney, Willie Gary, both on the phone with me. Thanks to you both for joining me. Dr. Bao, I'll start with you on this. Why are you suing for $100 million? On what grounds?
Well, let me just say this. I want to thank you for having us on. I represent the doctor in reference to why he's engaging in litigation. I think it's important that we set the record straight. It's not just about the money. It's about the whole attitude of his firing, which was a wrongful termination. There's no question about it. It was retaliation all over the place and discrimination as well. So we want you to know that it's not just about his testimony. However, it is, without question, his opinion that he felt then and he feels now that the state, in effect, tried to throw the case.
Dr. Bao, is Dr. Bao on the line?
Yes, he's on the line.
Okay.
But let me set the page for this so you understand.
No, we do understand. I've read the notes. We do understand. But Dr. Bao, I just want to know what makes you feel as though the prosecution was throwing the case.
Because one thing I can tell you that they set me up during my testimony. We have one investigator. We have two autopsy technicians. They did a deposition. They were subpoenaed to testify in the court, but they did not go at the final day. They did not go, so they sent me to go. I did not prepare for their testimony. So in my testimony, somewhere, I presented.
So, go ahead, Willie.
His position is the best prepared lawyer is going to win, plain and simple. And for him to take a deposition in November of 2012 and not even be able to get a copy of it until 4 days before he walks into the courtroom, and then when he has 5 to 6 opinions, that scientific opinions, that he insists that he should be able to address through the line of inquiry.
So one more question quickly, Mr. Gary, to Dr. Bao. So, Dr. Bao, you're saying you weren't ready on the stand? Because on the stand you said you didn't remember anything about Trayvon Martin's autopsy. So why were you not ready for that? And if you were fired, why are you suing if you weren't prepared on the stand to give an answer?
Yeah, I prepared for my part. I prepared for my autopsy. I prepared for the toxicology report. I did not prepare for the investigator and the two autopsy technicians because they did the deposition. They were ready to go. But in the final minutes, they decide they don't let them go, so they send me to the stand to testify for them.
Do you think George Zimmerman was guilty, should have been found guilty?
I don't know. It's not my job to decide if he was guilty or not. My job is to tell the jury the truth. I have scientific evidence. I have my opinion and the facts. I never had a chance to tell the jury.
Is it true you wanted to tell them that Trayvon Martin was never on top of George Zimmerman? Is that what you wanted to say?
Yes, there is no evidence to show that Trayvon Martin was on top of George Zimmerman. The Dr. DeMello, his opinion was wrong. He used his previous experiment, which, in my opinion, was wrong.
So you feel if you were able to testify to your truth that the outcome may have been different?
Yes, I do.
All right, Dr. Bao and Willie Gary, thanks so much. We hope that you come on after your case again, suing for $100 million. We'll see how that turns out. Thanks to you both.